Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by setting the narrative intention. Why change person and what effect you want? Choose the new POV, first for intimacy, second for immediacy, third for overview, and identify precise beats to switch. Once chosen, mark transitions in your draft and note which details shift with perspective, internal thought, sensory focus, and knowledge boundaries. Make sure to keep voice consistent within each segment so the change feels deliberate, not accidental, and prepare to rewrite adjacent lines to smooth the handoff. Now you perform the actual conversion. Change pronouns and verb choices to match the new person, and reframe internal thoughts accordingly. For first to third, convert introspection into visible action or reported thought. For third to first, bring interiority forward with sensory detail. Once done, check information flow, what the narrator knows versus what the reader should learn, and tighten scenes so exposition isn't duplicated. Make sure transitions carry the emotional stakes clearly to preserve momentum. Finish by polishing. Read aloud to detect tense slips, pronoun confusion, or tone drift, then smooth any awkward phrasing. If continuity breaks, consult your change log and roll back or try a subtler transition like a scene break or a paragraph marker. Make sure the emotional through-line remains clear and trim redundant exposition. If things still feel confusing, reduce the number of switches. Limit changes to pivotal scenes so the reader can track who's narrating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.